So, did she come back?
Yeah, she did, as it goes. She's in the toilets now.
Right, has she quit?
Not exactly. I've agreed to take her on and train her up. I mean, like, proper trainer, not just have her cleaning the bogs. You know, keep your friends close, but your enemies closer, that sort of thing.
Right, well, don't say I didn't warn you.
Right. I've agreed to train you, and I will. But in return, I need you to forget about everything that happened before, all right? And I mean, like, completely.
Deal.
Right. I'll see you tomorrow then, bright and early.